A new report has revealed that the average insurance penetration for the Middle East market is only 1.5%, whilst the global average stands at 7.1%. The Middle East Insurance and Reinsurance Summit aims to help insurance providers, regulators and individuals understand the need for insurance and growth possibilities within the region. Joining us to discuss the summit is Mr. Lutfi, the Secretary-General for Emirates Insurance Association. Thanks for joining us. So what's the market like for the insurance sector in the UAE and the Middle East?
Of course, we do have, as far as the Middle Eastern market is consistent of, if you talk about income, is about somewhere around $13 billion. And in we're closing 2008 report from the insurance authorities shows about $5 billion of those dollars are coming from the UAE. So he is actually the leading market in the Middle East.
Now, as we just mentioned, the penetration of insurance in the UAE market is significantly less than the rest of the world. Why is this?
Well, I don't know why it's not. Insurance is growing. If you look at the rest of the world, people grow by between 3 to 5%. UAE compared to 2007, 2008 itself only, and before that also, it's running somewhere between 25 to 30%. This year compared to 2007 to 2008, the premium income of the whole industry is gone by 31 point something percent. That is not a normal growth in the, and it's, of course, our market is not matured. That's why there is a potential. People are looking at it. So it is growing, as a matter of fact, but it's growing at a slower pace because the income, although again, like we said, it's majority, one third of the premiums in the Arab world is coming from the UAE, and it's not fully developed. There's some clusters and classes of insurances that's not implemented yet as well, despite of the credit bureaus not being there. That's one thing. On the malpractice, on the specialized professional indemnity insurances like engineers, architects, of that sort. And of course, it's a very competitive market. The premium is low as well in our country compared even to the GCC market.
Okay, now what insurance sectors do you expect a high growth in? Medical, life, home?
Well, if you take the past 5 years, for example, you see the life has grown so much. The life itself has grown over 6-7-fold comparing from 1997 to today. Generally, life is the one that's penetrating, especially on the penetration of the international insurance companies that has now open offices in Dubai. The life insurance is picking up very well, and of course on the education side or awareness side also, as population of expats that we have, basically they do depend on the life insurance. So life is as a matter of fact, is growing more than the general side in the past 5 years, and general, despite that, general is also increasing by a percentage of somewhere between 25 to 30% every year. And again, that's because of the new laws that come in, new construction development that's going on, and that's why we expect that's going to be contracted a little bit for the next 2 years to come, and which will pick up back again somewhere at the end of 2010.
Now, what's the main focus of the Middle East Insurance and Reinsurance Summit?
There has been many seminars and conferences that go on, but the insurance summit here that they have tried to bring it's a brainstorming basically among all the experts, whether it is on the conventional or Islamic takaful insurances, on the rules and regulations, on if you wish, on the free zones, that people are from the DIFC are here, people are from the QFC are here, and they all brainstorming also how can these clusters get together.
Now, Emirates Insurance Association is heavily involved in the summit. What are your main aims?
With basically the Emirates Insurance Association has been created since 1998 and began operation 1989. So it's been over almost 3 decades that it's there. And the basic objective of the Insurance Association is, of course, to create the human resources and training providing through different clusters. It consists of about 9 technical committees, starting with the higher technical committee, which is about 18 members in, basically from all the general managers of insurance companies, foreign and national, obviously, and consists of all it's a compulsory membership even when you register with the Ministry of Economy in the past. Now with the Insurance Authority, obviously you have to become a member of the Insurance Association. The other objectives also, we added that there is also a membership of the insurance and reinsurance brokers that are in there, which we have around 70 of them. them now insure, but that's not compulsory, and we also have a seat on the board of Insurance Association as well. The other objectives that insurance has is, also to be an ombudsman, if you wish, or arbitrator between insurance companies. There is not between customers itself, and also advising all the customers, that walk-in customers or call-in customers, for any advice. And of course, they working with the different institutions, whether it is the Ministry of Interior, the Insurance Authority, and other local entities as well.
Well, Mr. Fareed Lutfi, the Secretary General for Emirates Insurance Association, thank you very much for your time on Inside Business today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's it for this edition of Inside Business. You can contact us by writing to ib@city7tv.com. You can also follow what's happening on the program via Twitter. It's inside_business. For now,